and I give a huge thanks to T-Roy for the original inspiration behind this. Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're gonna do is cut up our beef. I've got beef top round, steak thin cut. So we're gonna cut that up in smaller pieces so we can make our beef jerky. Just pull that straight off. As you see, it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And you do want to get rid of, if there's any fat, some of this is all marbling. If there's any fat, you want to get rid of that too. Hey yo! So what we got here is we got our meat sliced up and put into a freezer bag, and we're gonna let this marinate for at least about 3 hours. If you can let it marinate overnight, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up 3 jalapenos. And the recipe's down below, by the way. So I'm gonna just kind of dice 3 jalapenos. I'm gonna throw those in. What's up, Edward George? How you doing? Along with our soda. So today I'm using Dr. Pepper. And I've got a 16-ounce bottle of Dr. Pepper. Basically, you want to throw in about 12 ounces of that. You can throw in root beer, you can throw whatever your favorite soda is. So our jalapenos are in there. That's about right. So I'll throw that in. Next step up, you want to throw in some liquid smoke. About a tablespoon of that. I'm just going to eyeball this. Liquid smoke, when you're cooking in the oven, that'll give it a nice smoky flavor. Next thing
dry ingredients are 2 tablespoons.
Dry ingredients.
Seasoned pepper. So I got Lowry's. You guys can get Lowry's or store-bought brand. 3 tablespoons of seasoned salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those too. And then crushed red pepper. That's to taste. I just kind of threw it in. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And if you don't like soy sauce, skip it. And then I decided to add a couple of tablespoons of honey. Shook the bag, make sure it worked, and then put everything on the racks.
My people. So we're at 170 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in. I got 1 sheet tray down here. So I'll put them in one by one. And then I'm gonna swap them out. So I'll keep these in for at least about 3 hours. Maybe 4. Well, I can see that. But about 3 hours, maybe 4. Depends on how tender you want it. But those are looking good, and then I'll swap them out after about an hour or so. And we'll catch you back then. Hey guys, so we're still around about like 170. What we want to do here is like switch the racks. So as you can see, we're about halfway into the cook. As you can see, these ones on the bottom are getting brown a little bit quicker than the ones on top. It's not really jerky. But they do look good. They're good in there. And a ways to go. So we're going to switch the racks. So I do recommend switch the racks after a couple of hours. Kind of halfway in the middle of the cook. They look really good already. about 3 hours, and our beef jerky is done. So it's been running about 170 degrees. That's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna take it out. My family likes it a little bit more tender. I like it a little bit drier, but should be good. And you can see, we've got jalapenos still on here. Those are real good too. Fantastic. It's super easy to do. It's super easy to run. Okay.
What?
This is real good, and it's super simple. And if you look at this, it's fantastic. So I do have pepper flakes. You can adjust the spice according to what you like. But, well, I'll tell you, these are real good. My kids eat them up like no one's business. And yeah, till next time. Pickles out. That's real good. Yeah, that's real good. And well, that's good. And well, that's good.
Try to eat this.
And well, that's good. That's real good. Yeah, that's excellent. So they're super easy to do, and I'll tell you, you can taste like that soy sauce coming through, the Worcestershire coming through. A little bit spicy, but it's not too spicy. They mellow out a lot. So if you haven't done beef jerky, this is an easy way to do it, and it's great stuff for the winter.